Water-damaged bathroom ceilings may have several causes. The most common cause is a major leak. In these cases, the damage is extensive. The only way to prevent future leaks is to contact a professional to assess the situation. A qualified repair professional can repair the damaged ceiling and walls, as well as bring your home up to code. The process will require a combination of repair methods and safety equipment, so that you are able to avoid any unnecessary risk. The earliest sign of a water-damaged bathroom ceiling is the presence of stains, peeling paint, and cracks. This condition is most common in bathrooms with low ceilings. The water that accumulates there causes the ceiling to buckle, resulting in a damp spot. You may want to close the incoming water main valve so that the leak can be stopped before it worsens. In addition, you may want to consider contacting a water damage restoration company to help you manage the situation. When dealing with a water leak in your bathroom, you should immediately call a professional. You should not try to repair a wet ceiling yourself. You must first fix the source of the leak. If the water is coming from a window or from a roof, you may need to remove it and replace the ceiling. If the stain is visible, you should use a stain-killing primer to prevent it from bleeding through the new paint. If the stain is visible, you can contact a professional handyman to repair the leak in your ceiling. A handyman can be hired for small tasks like these, and can provide a free estimate to help you. While repairing a leak will remove any visible stains, it is important to clean the ceiling first. If you notice any watermarks, brown stains, it is possible that you have a leak in your bathroom. A leaky ceiling will likely have standing water as well, so you should check it out immediately. You can also test the area for mold if the problem persists. The best thing to do is contact a professional to help you get a bathroom ceiling repaired. The first step in fixing a leaky bathroom ceiling is to find the source of the water. If you suspect that there is a leak, you should call a professional for a consultation. A licensed contractor will be able to assess the extent of the damage and suggest the best way to treat it. Once the leak has been identified, you can proceed with repairing the leak. Once you have fixed the source of the water, you should repair the leak. If you notice a wet spot on the ceiling, it is most likely that you have a leak somewhere else in the house. If you live in an apartment, you should check for water leaks to determine where the leak is. If you notice water in the bathroom ceiling, it is most likely a leak from the sink or supply pipes. In such cases, you should contact a licensed contractor immediately to assess the situation. If you notice brown spots on the ceiling, you should call a licensed plumber to repair it. If the damage is minor, you can do the repairs yourself. If the water damage is too extensive, you should contact a licensed professional to fix it. In many cases, the ceiling can be repaired without replacing the drywall. In other cases, you can hire a professional to fix the problem. However, it is best to contact an insurance agent right away to avoid a major flood. Your claim will take much longer to process because of the water in the ceiling. Before calling a plumber, you should look for the source of the leak. A leak can be the cause of water damage in the ceiling. You can easily detect a leak by inspecting the area carefully. A leaking bathroom will have a leak that is near the ceiling. The leak must be repaired in order to avoid further problems. If the water damage is on the floor, the drywall will be ruined, so it is important to protect the insulation.